Have you ever heard of a parrot saving a life? In 2014, in Denver, Colorado, a quick-thinking African gray parrot named Willie became a hero. Megan Howard, Willie's owner, was babysitting a toddler named Hannah when she briefly stepped out of the room. Suddenly, Willie started squawking uncontrollably and flapping his wings, shouting, "Mama, baby." Megan rushed back to find Hannah choking on her breakfast. She quickly performed the Heimlich maneuver, dislodging the food and saving the child's life. Later, Megan credited Willie with alerting her just in time, a remarkable testament to the often underestimated intelligence and loyalty of animals. This incredible bond between human and bird not only saved a young life but also highlighted the extraordinary capabilities of our feathered friends.